that doing here?
Package.
Yeah, I know what it is. I asked, what is it doing here?
Yeah, so no cage then.
You said nothing about sharks or there being a shark cage here. What, are we trying to attract them?
It's like we got 80 kilos down there just waiting for us.
Sounds like we got a new mission, boys.
Take off your gear!
Would you look at the size of that thing?
Damn, only one kind of shark could have done that.
It was a great white.
You're a goddamn predator. And they're gonna know it today.
I'm just gonna use the gear on this craft. Get my boys so they go down below and collect some property that now belongs to me. She comes up with my drugs and she don't come up at all.
You're a piece of shit.
Bangs, what was that?
Something's happening.
Hey, bring her up! That's not your call, man. It's all right. It won't be mine when I have to kill you.
No!
I really didn't want to have to do this.
She says she needs to come aboard and talk with you.
God damn. I'm impressed. Sorry, brother. It's just a code. It's not personal.